Hi. I went out card hunting yesterday. Today's Thursday. Okay, so I was out Wednesday the 21st. Today is July 22nd, 21. I just added minutes onto my phone. Now that's going to be canceled, or that's going to expire. 22-2-0-2-2. Pretty funny. 7 twos or 5 or 6 twos. Okay, who cares? Blade trilogy. Well, 3 movies for $5. How do you go wrong? These were on sale. I would have never even bought them. They were on sale for a hike. You get 6 action figures. Like, they were less than 50 cents an action figure. Alright. I got the Soup Nazi. Guys, if you ever need any of these, let me know. Like, pay me, and I'll go get them for you, because I go all the time, and I see all these Funkos, and then the next time I go, half of them are gone, so like I could be picking them up for you. I got DCs and like 7 more. Oh, hold on. I think it's over here. Yep, here it is. Thanks, scumbags. I got 2 DCs and 7 Marvels, so I'm gonna get these out of the way. Alright. Okay, I was gonna show you what I got. Get it out of the way. Show you what I got. Get it out of the way. Believe it or not. I think it's a little inappropriate to do the dun 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 dun, since it's Thor and it's Marvel. But I finally got my Thor. I was just about ready to purchase it online. I found it. It was at Newburgh, New York's Barnes & Noble. Yay! Got Wonder Woman. That's DC. It's funny how they have DC and Marvel in the same spot. Oh, I found that orange dragon. So I saw these. So everyone goes nuts over these things. So I figured I'd buy them. The Gay Pride Mickey Mouse. Our Funko Pride Pop collection is a celebration of inclusivity and acceptance. Like I said before, most of these kind of people that I meet, not all of them, but especially white women that are like that, they're the most intolerable. What do they say? Inclusivity and acceptance. Yeah. No way. Not those people. I don't want to generalize everybody, because not all of them are like that, but I mean, I said hi to one of them in line the one day waiting to get waited on. She looked at me, white male, snooted her head. I seriously, I wanted to pull out like a crowbar and smash her in the head. Like, you don't treat people like that. I said hi to her, and she like, wow. This is for my sister. In case you think I'm a weirdo. Louis Winthorpe, I had to do it. And they don't have any of the I've never seen any of the Valentine Eddie Murphy character. Got another one. I wasn't sure if I should, but they're so cool. I mean, like, who doesn't like the Soup Nazi? You know? Oh, I showed that one already. This is the one I didn't show. Sorry. I got 2 Mickeys. And I got my Thor. I was so happy. There's the other Mickey. There's the Thor. That's the dragon thing. From Bamukan or something it's called. Bakugan. I never heard of that. I mean, well, it's funny because there's that other thing, that Shanghai thing. I never heard of that either. I was walking in the movies and boom, there's a bunch of Shanghai stuff. Oh, all my different receipts. They flipped all over the place. I had them in order too, to tell you where I got what. All right, never mind. I don't know. One of the places in New York, they must have been finding stuff in the back room, so they're getting rid of it. Opening day hanger. Opening day hanger. Really cocksucker. Scumbag. Opening day hanger. Opening day hanger, 4 of them. Oh, I'm actually able to pick them up without them flying all over the place? Wow. What else? Oh, okay. Same Walmart there. Take whatever you want. I left a bunch of stuff there. I didn't want to be a pig. I just took 1 soccer and 1 Series 2 2021 Upper Deck Ice Hockey Blaster Box. Yeah, I should have taken more of those. I'm stupid and nice, leaving stuff for other people. Especially when you go to some place and they only give you, like, you take 1 or 2 or 3. A couple places let you take 3, but like I said, they must have been opening their stuff from like 3 months ago. Finding stuff in the back, or maybe someone at the distributor office. Hanger. Must have found stuff. I'm send it out. I don't care. I'll buy it. I know. Oh, it's opening day. Oh, so what? So what? So what? So what? It's not like you can't get an autograph. It's not like you can't find a rookie card, someone that's good. Like, really? What's this? Oh, yeah. I got a... It was funny. I think this was... I'm almost positive this was Middletown, New York. Because most of the time, they don't have any sports. And I got... I know I got a second sports thing. What did I get? Or did I get a Pokemon instead? I might have gotten a Pokemon and a hockey. I could have swore I got like a Prism pack or something there. No. Well, I don't see it. Oh, this was Madame Morris. This is great. The girl is only supposed to give me 2 things, but she said, take whatever you want. And again, there were 3 of these. I only took 1. I don't even know what they're worth, but what's the other couple things? I think I got 2. Oh, no, I got 2 soccer packs of Chronicles and a Series 2 baseball. Yep, Madame Morris. They call it Milford. It's in Matamoros. Milford's like 6 miles away from there. Chronicles. Series 2. Really, scumbag? Really? Unreal. This scum, there was about 4 of them. I took 1. Good thing I didn't take them all. They would have been jumping out of my hand. There was about 6 of these. I took 2. I can't believe how this stuff falls out of my hand all the time. Yeah, it won't fall into the bag though. Unreal. Fall out of my hand, but not into the bag. Where was this at? Oh, this is Barnes & Noble. I got this for my kids in school. It's 12 different labs you could get. It was like $12.95. Let me see. Not that it matters. Yeah, $12.95. Well, minus $1.29.5 because I get my 10% discount. But I couldn't resist. I had to buy it just to get Nakaya mad. Nakaya, look who it is. Nakaya's gonna get mad at me. Whoops. Of course, let's fall. You know, I show something nice, and let's fall. Everything falls. Got M. I wanted there to be a Q. It was one of the gay. There we go. And I only got it, even though I think this character's stupid. I only got it because you never see them anymore. They were all over the place when they first came out. And then I went back and I got 2 of these just because you're allowed to get 2 things. And I didn't get anything. All I got is those Funko Pops. So I went back in and I got these. So I was like, okay. And the girl was like, would you forget something? I forgot to get my stuff. Forgot to get my 2 per person. Alright, what else? I'll put this back in here. So I'll put the Soup Nazi now. Throw these things in there too. Alright. A couple minutes left. I forget where I was here, but the guy was sort of getting mad at me. You're allowed to get 3 things. And I was like, I don't really want. I was changing my mind. All your good stuff is gone. And then he tells me the price. I guess they were on special. Usually these things are like 13, 14, 15, and then Target usually has these for like $9.99 on special. These guys were like $8.31 or something, or maybe 7 something. Then they wound up $8.31 after tax. I was like, okay, well if it's that cheap, I'll take another one. Rillaboom. Rillaboom, Rillaboom. Never heard of Rillaboom before, but there you go. A Rillaboom theme deck. Right. Right there. Yeah, I wanted to get this done in one, but there was so much stuff. This is all just like one day. This is just from that other day. Went to Newburgh. I know they had more of them, but they were hiding them. They were hiding them behind the counter. And the girl was nice enough to go over and I said, I like some baseball cards. She pulls out a mega box, and I saw other ones. And she pulled out Star Wars, and I was like, you're only allowed to get 2 things, so I grabbed Star Wars and the mega. I was happy because I got a mega box. It saved me a little bit of money, so I didn't have to spend as much. I think I got these at Fishkill. I could have got 3, but I was spending so much money. I was like, Alright, a minute and a half. Can I get this stuff done in a minute and a half? Sure. Target. I don't know if it was a Target at Middletown. No, because I couldn't get to it. I kept just going around in circles on the freeways. This might have been the, what the hell's the name of that? Newburgh. And just getting rid of them. Like 37 cents. Receipts. Ray. I had to pick her up. Oh, I know where this is from. Do I have enough time? You know what? I might have enough time, but I'm not even going to chance it. Oh, the Ray was from, Monticello. But these 2 cars were from a Target. I think it was the Newburgh Target. Newburgh Target's easy to get to. Just go up, get off the ramp, go down the street, and off to the right on 300. Alright, that's good enough. I'll finish this in the next video.